Ano? Eto na naman ako, no?
Yeah.
Of course, kasama na naman kayo sa aming vacation tour. And I'm gonna show you the room and the place. Halika na. Ano pa? Alright, syempre, kanina pa kami nandito. And medyo kumain na rin at ngayon lang ako nakapag-roll the camera at pawis-pawis na rin ako. Sobrang init. But look at the place, man. So heavenly. See, hindi pa makita eh. But actually, it's located somewhere na sobrang taas. Well, I don't know. Nasugbo kasi medyo maraming bundok na talaga dito. I'm gonna show you the place. Look, it's an overlooking. Oh my God, sobrang liwanag. Alright, so ito yung lugar. This is the garage itself. So yeah, meron kaming tatlong apat na sasakyan na iniintay. Dalawang sasakyan na iniintay pa. 4 sasakyan in total, no? So from the garage, of course, there's stairs there actually. But syempre, dito tayo sa ramp, no? So actually, wheelchair ready din siya. PWD ready, no? So, see that, man? So ganda! Right, so from the garage, going up, medyo mahirap umakyat. Kasi, sobrang taas. I mean, matarik yung ramp. Papasok na ako sa main house, no? So look at that. Pagpasok mo, pool agad. And view agad. At saka yung asawa ko agad nandito na naman. Natrabaho ko na naman. Sobrang liwanag. Yun lang ang downside to. It's a view agad pagpasok ko ng main house and the pool, no? This is the main ground floor. I mean, that's the first floor. So meron ka ditong small kitchen. I don't know kung ano gusto mo lagay dyan, pero I'm gonna show you later yung pinaka main kitchen nila. Like it's the common kitchen area where everyone can celebrate. Yung karaoke, yung billiards, and yung arcade nila nandun. But this is the main house. Ayun, we do have a sofa here and bean bags, right? And there's my beautiful wife again. Tapos, of course, and then yung mga bata, hey kids, say hi. Ayaw, busy sila. Sa first floor, meron tayong dalawang rooms. Here's the first room. Yun lang, hindi air-conditioned yung first room. But it's pretty nice. I mean, it's decent. Kaya sila naka-blackout curtains kasi feeling ko sobrang liwanag talaga. Windows, nakatapat siya sa sunset. I mean, the sunset time ng hapon. Malamig naman. This is the only room na hindi air-conditioned. They do have an air cooler though. There's lamps there. Ayun. So, yun. Let's visit the second room. Actually, katabi lang niya. Ayun lang, oh. Lipat lang sa kabila. Let's open it up. Alright, so actually sobrang magkamukha lang yung rooms, but ito kasi, the room here is fully air-conditioned. Yung kabila air-cool. But both rooms, meron silang pull-out beds. Diba? Kasya kami dito ng buong pamilya ko. So may racks naman for the clothes if you need to hang your stuff. The windows, view pa rin siya. I mean, di ko makita totally, but yun. So that's it, pretty straightforward. It's a room. Let's go up, check out the rooms upstairs. So let's go up to the second room. It's actually your second time around here. Nung 9th birthday nung panganay ko, dito rin kami nag-celebrate. But now, birthday nung dalawang pamangkin ko, so binalikan namin. Look at the view, man. Hinihingal ako. So daming kinain. But yeah, that's the stairs going up. Here's the room. I think this is the master's bedroom. I'm gonna knock, baka may tao. May tao po? Mukhang wala. So, dito, naka-station si aking brother, si Von, second one. And look at the place, man. I mean, there's a sofa there. Meron pa rin tayong view ng magandang labas. And from there, makita mo naman yung pool. Alright, so that's pretty much the bed and the sofa. What's the highlight of this room is the banyo. Check out the banyo, man. See? There's a really nice bathtub there. Of course, a view pa rin. Hindi ko nabubuksan kasi dalawang may hawak kamay ko. There's a rain shower there. Your rain shower. A toilet. At may pabato-bato pa sila dyan. And there's, of course, the vanity area of your bathroom. No? So, Bango, ang bango. Hindi siya amoy ebak. So that's pretty much it. Alala ko nung bata pa si Dylan at si Happy to. Diyan ko sila pinaligo. Memories. So that's pretty much the banyo of the master's bedroom, which is the highlight, I think. Alala ko dito, namamahay pa si Dylan kasi baby pa siya. So nilabas ko siya dito sa veranda. Yun, habang si Dylan ay umiiyak, hindi siya makatulog kasi baby pa siya sa ibang lugar. So anyway, let's check out the next room. Meron pang isa. Alright, so this is the next room. Vloggers na ako, by the way, kung di nyo alam. That's Pat Pat. Anyway, hi Pat. This is Sheena. Ang mga sisterette ng aking future sister-in-law. Actually, sister-in-law na nga eh. So the other room is actually bunk beds. But pretty nice bunk beds. Mabango din. Hindi amoy, kulob, no? Air conditioned din. See that? Actually, same. Thanks, girls. I'm go out. Actually, same lang lahat ng kwarto. Yung isa lang talaga yung hindi talaga air conditioned. I don't know why. Baka para sa mga matatandang lamigin. Anyway, going down. Alright, so I'll show you my sleeping wife. I'll show you the kitchen there. It's actually a connecting kitchen. The main house is connected to a common area. There. Oh, there. Ang ganda, no? Actually, it's the perfect time kasi pababa na yung araw. See? Ang daming hidden gems dito sa sa Pilipinas. Mga magagandang spots talaga na kailangan mo bisitahin. But yeah, it's actually an infinity pool. Marami na kami nahulog doon last time na nagbisita kami dito. Let's go there sa kabilang area and I'll show you the main common area kitchen. I don't know. Andun lahat ng fun. Alright. Mamaya ko na papakita sa inyo yung kitchen kasi lobat na ako. I need to charge first. Maya ay magluluto na ng dinner. Pero yung alright, and we're back! Naka-charge na at ginabi na rin. By the way, ito yung pool paggabi. At nandito na rin si Daddy at si Chao at si Doreen. Hi, Di. Hey, Tay. Look. Anyway, I'm gonna show you the connecting kitchen. Ito na. Teka. So yun nga, from the... Ay, mga bata. Hi, guys! From the main house, there's a little bridge there. Ayan. This is the common area. There's the gang. There's the whole fam, man. So meron tayong karaoke. May billiards. Si Pat Pat ulit. Si Pat Pat. And there's the kitchen. There's the Tito. Aaron, what's up, man? And we have a sauna here. Yan, sauna yan. Ginagamit yan. Gumagana. May arcade din. Those two doors are bathroom. Here's the rest of the girlies. Say hi, guys. Girls. Okay. Hi, Tita. Ito, si Tita, ang mommy ni Jan Jan. Alright, so there's a ihawan here. Ayun, si Gems na naman po, ang punong abala, the Grill Master Gem. And yeah, of course, you see there's a long veranda here, overlooking. Wala ka na makita, syempre. Bahayan na lang dahil gabi na. And the other side is the pool. Again. Alright. Yun nga, that's the place. Ganda, no? Sobrang laki ng place for, hindi lang siya basta kitchen and common area. May billiards siya, table siya, tsaka arcade. So, di ka maboboard dito. So, currently we're cooking food for dinner. At nag-ihaw din sila. Habang ang iba ay nagsiswimming, mga bata ay nagsiswimming sa likod. May iba nag-billiards. So, okay siya. Okay yung lugar. Maya-maya for sure. What's up? Oh, there's Dada! Little kids. Anyway, so yun. Ganda ng lugar. I'll show you the food later. It's crispy kare-kare, corn blue, nilagang baka, kinilaw, at ewan ko, marami pa. Marami ihaw. So, I'll see you guys later. Sama muna ako sa kanila.
Nang vlog mo ata, nag-iihaw siya.
Aray ko.
Kaldereta.
Iinit ba?
O sakalan. Kuya. You okay? Is it not cold, guys? I know. Are you hungry? I know. Oh, where? Boom. Nag-aayos ng ano di, patungan ng plato. Ay! Na-redeem na ba? Ang pansit! Ano naman? Binawi! Binawi!
Totoo na ba yan?
Ha? Alright, silipin natin yung handa ngayong gabi. We do have a caldereta from the Pepper Pig shop, cafe. Cordon bleu, care of Pepper Pig then. And crispy kare-kare. Oh, ha? I mean, that's sauces and the sausawan. And we do have the gang here, checking, still cooking. My beautiful wife setting up things. Ayan na pansit.
Hindi na buo.
Ha?
Hindi na buo.
Hindi na buo. From the last vlog, buo yan. Asan na yung iba? Ano yun? Yan ay nilagang baka. Tapos, may kinilaw din. Ito talaga yung magpapagout sa akin. So, last time we visit the place, nasobrahan ako sa isaw. No? Kinabukasan ng gout, parang ako si Cardo. Okay lang yun eh. Tae si Daddy. So, pupuntahan natin yung logistics team, no? Ayan sila. Nagsaset. Ayan, so, so nagsiset up sila ng, what do you call this? Birthday background para doon sa dalawang bata. But, yeah. Si Aaron yung kanina ko dito. Ang dami na, bro. Ayun, so, it's pretty chill and happy night, of course. So, enjoy na naman, first course. Ang mga bata, unang-una, kasi kaya yan, hindi pa rin sila tumitigil maligo. You know what, I miss my mom. Kung nandito yun ako, punong abala din yun. Mami, I miss you and I love you. Sana nanonood ka dyan sa heaven. Sa amin.
So now, bye, we're going again because like Bobby told us to get some things for Zoe because she's sick. Don't you just get some cupcakes? Okay, I was here. Hey, Bibi, we're back. Hey, stop it!
You like building stuff? I guess. Baka engineer ka paglaki. YouTuber na lang, kuya. Simulan na natin ngayon.
Architect.
Yeah, right. Because you're super creative, no? But sometimes we have to redirect to the technical side of things. You build stuff like this, house like this.
Why you videoing me?
I'm looking for the answer. So when you grow up, you can go back and see this. She likes building stuff. Look at my kid. Honestly, magugulat ka na lang sa kanya kasi mahilig siya magawa ng kung ano-anong creative stuff. And he comes up with something. No? Kunwari, out of strings, he'll build this really huge T-Rex doll. Good job, anak. Camera shy lang talaga siya. Hindi ko alam bakit. Pero kabaligtaran siya ni Dylan. Si Dylan loves the camera. And Kuya Javi, wala. Ayaw niya sa camera. Pucha, ilang pa din luto niyo? Alright, so it's currently 8:50. Naghihintay na lang kami matapos ang ihaw ng mga boys. At kasi the grill master is still working. But so ayun, chill lang mga tao. Doreen and Shao playing billiards. Mamaya susubukan natin to. Actually, nasubukan ko na siya dati. Daming games, no? Gusto ko lang sa kwarto. So, andun pa rin ang mga bata nagsuswimming. Pero andito yung mga girls Uy! Lagot! Ulitin ko, we do have kinilaw, sangka pa, mamaya yan. And we have caldereta, we have the cordon bleu, tipak ng manok yan, no? Sangka. Tapos, crispy kare-kare, sana crispy pa siya. Tarong ka naman. Nag-separate sauce, pancit, kanin, and we do have the utensils here. So, mainit pa rin ngayon. Mainit na kasi galaw ko ng galaw. But we're just waiting for the chicken grills, grilled chicken. And it's chow time.
Sorry.
Ang yabang mo siya papantay, kung ano hindi papantay sa amin.
Ang layo. Hindi. Friend bata eh.
Tingnan natin.
No.
Pasok yan yan. Gusto mo dito.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the crowd.
Okay.
So tired.
Alright, hello. Natapos na lahat kumain ng dinner at of course, sobrang busog na naman lahat. And it was a good meal. Everything was good. I like the kinilaw. I love it. I'm a ceviche guy, you know. Ceviche. Kilaw, gago. So, we're back to doing the fun stuff. And girls are back at swimming again. It's gonna be a long night because... don't go there. Slowly. Lumipad yung lobo doon sa edge. Ayun, so I'll update you guys. Of course, this Kayla. Don't go and do...
It's out of ammo.
No! Good morning. Good morning. Well, the Inuman party session and everything else. There's the rainbow. You know. See it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful, you know. You see the rainbow? Ang galing, no? Parang ngayon ka na lang ulit nakakita ng rainbow. So, ayun, namatay na ako kagabi. Feeling ko nagiinuman pa sila and drinks and everything with yung mga boys dito sa nung pumasok ako. But yun, I woke up around 6:30. Nakita ko na sila tito dito sa taas, baka prepping or I don't know. Tapos pumasok na ako. Di ko rin alam kung gising na si daddy. Pero nung paglabas ko ng mga 7 a.m. again, from the kwarto, nakaluto na raw siya ng sinangag, sabi ni daddy. At ayun na, pati sila tito-tita, sila Jan, sila Ken, brother niyo Jan. Doon na rin, nagluluto na sila lahat. It's a rainy morning. Breakfast in a bit? Si Dylan? Ako kanina, tamain na ako. Dami. So pretty naman, my Dylan. Let me see. Smile nga, camera. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Yung itsura kong yan, yun pa rin kagabi pa.
Katabi mo yung rainbow, kaya maganda.
Ako yung hindi maganda mo yung kinakain ng araw yung ano.
Ganda, no?
Talaga, na-appreciate nila yung view.
Happy birthday, Yuna! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Oo, malamig yun. Point.
Ano ko yung nag-akit ako ng isang beanbag? Hindi ko alam kung nasaan.
Lo! Ba yun?
Si Kuya?
Hindi, ako pinasok ko isa doon. Pero kulang pa nga isang beanbag. Siguro in-accept ka nga.
Tatlo ba yan?
Nagamit ako ng isa.
Ilabas mo ba ngayon?
Oh.
Hindi ko makita ko na saan ngayon.
Hindi kasi dapat sinasabi ko sa ano kasi
Isa ka na sa employee number 4. Charot.
Kasi nga kanina. Si Daddy.
Oh.
May ihi. Umihi doon. Dito siya. Tapos maya-maya, biglang nagkape. Ayun, gising siya ako siguro. Bakit kami niya?
Bumaba ba si Jen?
Si James?
Si James.
Siguro mga alas 4.
Nay! Ay, nagising na makimaga.
Liligo kami dyan eh.
Oo
Nakakaganda
nga.
nga ako eh.
Lalabas pa dapat ako pag higa ko, wala na. Mamatay na ako. Grab your slippers. Say good morning to everyone in the kitchen. Oh, you can stay here?
Dad, you know how to bathtub? Can you join Yuna?
Yeah, of course. You don't have to ask me, Anna. You can always join Yuna.
He said yeah.
Yeah, do it again.
Jump! Jump!
Do it again.
Kamusta ang hacienda niyo, Di? Grabe naman. Happy birthday, girls! Ang fierce naman, ba't ganun?
Bakit na pala sabi sila? Kung ko lang cellphone ko pa.
Oh, ito hubad. Dylan!
Naka-princess top siya.
Ano
So
kasi siya, mermaid?
cute!
Ayun ko siya.
Mami! Hey, kids!
You was
Ate Kay! Call everyone. I think call Javi and where's Javi?
Take a picture.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, my love! You blow. You blow the candle.
You know.
one?
See?
Go!
Yeah! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! You go. Yes, you go. You try it. How about you? You want to try it? No? Why? Happy birthday! Happy birthday. So, together. Picture mo na.
Ay, huwag yung ganahin, suotin niyo pa yun sa kasal.
Ba? Pink ba yung motive
Picture mo
mo?
na.
Kuya, join them.
Ah, take careful. That's a
Ayaw mo siya mermaid nga siya. Princess, mermaid, orcs, ganun.
Are you going to the picture?
Kami, baby nila. You go with that.
Dito na lang na.
Pa-birthday, si Senador. Sorry.
Kayo ta.
Pakita mo daw, bro. Hey guys. Abangan yung subscribe nyo na ako ha. Subscribe nyo na ako please. Say hi guys, come on. Dito. Di.
Tawa yun.
Dami lang. Kita ka dyan.
Again, look.
Kaya nga, sana si ano, patutawag mo na kay Ken, tsaka Ken. Ken, tsaka Ken. I go to the road. Knock, knock.
Hey. 2. Sobrang rare na makita mo si Daddy na naliligo. Naligo din. So that's it. Nag-celebrate na, nagkinantahan na ang mga bata. Happy birthday! I think we're extending the hours until 3 p.m. We extended for additional 4 hours. And lunch. And yun na! See you in the next vlog!